In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show followers on your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Then just tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile, and after that tap at Edit Profile button. Then we just need to scroll down until we find this Details section, and here we need to tap at Edit next to Details right here. After that, scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find followers, and here we need to activate that option and then hit Add Save. After that, if we go to our Facebook profile page here, let me refresh it, and then here at Details we'll see information about the number of our followers. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.